Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome back to the maths class. Okay, in previous class we are discussing about the exercise 1.3. In this exercise 1.3 first bit over. Now I am going to second bit. In the second bit they are given here skip count backwards. Skip count backwards. Backward means backside numbers. We can find out backside numbers. For example, here listen carefully. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now these are the numbers. So now here these numbers we are taking the 7 backward number 6. Okay, and 7 backward number 5 also, and 7 backward number 4 also. Okay, understood? So these are the backward numbers, understood? So now here they given count by 5s. Count by 5s. For example, this is a 1 digit number. Now first I am explaining 1 digit number. If we are clearly, then we are going to 4 digit number. Okay, for example, this is a 1 digit number. How many are there here? 7 numbers are there. Okay, in this 7 I am taking 5s. Count by 5s, backward number. So now what I am doing here, I am taking here 7 number and I can do subtraction with minus 5. Backward numbers means minus. Okay, so likewise in previous video we are discussing about the after before numbers. No, before number means what we can do? We can do the subtraction minus 1. Likewise here also we can find out skip count backwards. We can find out backward number. What we can do? We can do the subtraction. Okay, we can do the subtraction. Here they given count by 5s means we can do the subtraction. Whatever number they given here, this number we can subtraction with minus 5. Okay, here they given 7. So now I am find out the 7 backward number. 7 backward 5 means 7 minus 5. I will take here 7 minus 5. Okay, 7 minus 5 means I will take here 7 fingers. 7 fingers, I am closing 5. What is the number? How many fingers are there? Yes, 2 fingers. Means, okay, so count by 5s. Here 7 given means what is the answer? 2. Okay, understood? Likewise, here they given here 4 digit numbers. What the digit given here? 4 digit numbers. Okay, listen. So now here 4 digit number they given. First number once you check it here. 5554. 5554. Count by 5s. 5s means we can subtract with minus 5. Okay. Now I am doing the subtraction with minus 5. Okay. Minus 5. Here what is the number given here? 4. 4 minus 5. It is possible. Now I am taking 4 fingers. Now I am closing 5 fingers. It is possible? No. So it is not possible. So what we can do? We can do the subtraction. Okay. Now I am taking here subtraction. Now I am taking here borrowing. So now here to here borrowing. Here 4 changes into 14. 4 changes into 14. Why? Means here to here one number they going means here one digit to here another digit going means here adding 10. Means 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, 4 changes into 14. Here already one number they going, no. This is actually this is a tens place, no. So that's why this is one number here to here going means here 10 plus 4, 14. And again here 4. Okay, understood? Now here 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. We have a 14 fingers? No. Only how many fingers we have? Only 10 fingers. So now what we can do? So now here what is the number given here? 5. Here what is the number given here? 5. Now after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 minus 5, what is the answer? 9. We can count after 5 up to 14. Okay, understood? Once again I am explaining ma. Here 14 given ma. Okay, so now I have only 10 fingers. So now what we can do? We can do the subtraction. So 14 minus 5, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, up to 14. So now how many fingers I will take my here? Yes, 9 fingers. Now I am writing here 9. Okay, understood? So now here what is the number having here? 4. Here no number, no. So the 4 is coming down. Okay, here also 5. Here also 5. So now what is the answer here? We got it here 5549. Already they given, no. So now I am doing here 5549 minus 5. Okay, now I am doing here 5549 minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Why? Means here what they given? Count by 5s. Means we can do the subtraction with the minus 5. Okay, what is the meaning of this word? Means we can do the subtraction with the minus 5. Okay, now I am doing the subtraction here. Okay, now listen. Okay, 9 minus 5. Okay, take 9 fingers all of you. Yes, 9 fingers. In that close 5 fingers. I am closing 5 fingers. Remaining how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am writing here 4. Okay. Next here 4 directly. And again remaining number we can write directly. Okay, understood all of you? So this number I am writing here 5544. Okay. Now, so here how many blanks given here? 5 blanks given, no. So now I can find out to 5 numbers. Okay. Now first one over. Now I am going to second one. Okay. Now I am going to second one. Now here 5544 minus 5. Okay. 4 minus 5, it is possible? No. What we can do? We can take borrow. Now here is 4 changes into 14 and 4 is subtracted here 3. Why? Here already 1 here going to borrow. So if one number is going to borrow means it is convert into 10 like. Okay, 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, understood? So now 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5. Okay, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, what is the answer? 9. I am writing here 9. Again here what is the number? 3. Remaining numbers we can write as it is. Okay, what is the answer? This answer I am writing here 5539. Now I am taking this answer and again I am doing the subtraction. 5539 minus 5. Okay, 9 minus 5. Okay, 9 minus 5. These are the 9 fingers. I am closing 5 fingers. Remaining how many are there? 4. Now I am writing here 4. And remaining 3 digits as it is we can write. Okay. Now what is the answer we got it? The answer I am writing here 5534. Okay. Now we can find out 3 numbers. Now I am going to another number. So now what we can do? Again this answer to 5534 and minus 5. Okay. Minus 5. Okay, now we can do the subtraction as it is same. 4 minus 5 it is possible? No. What we can do? We take a borrow. 4 changes into 14 and 3 changes into 2. So, okay, now enough. So, 14 minus 5 already we know that 14 minus 5 already here we can do, no. 14 minus 5, yes, 9 I am writing here, again 2, 5, 5, okay, 5529, okay, 5529. And here what is the answer we got it here? 5529 minus 5. 9 minus 5, we know that. 9 minus 5, 4. 2, 5, 5. What is the answer? Yes, 5524. Okay, this is the answer. Count by 5s. Okay, understood? Now I am going to be bit. Here, count by 9s. 9s means now we can do the subtraction with 9. Here they given, here listen carefully ma. Here count by 9s means here whatever number they given we can do the subtraction with minus 9. Okay, we can do the subtraction. Now here what is the number given here? 8564 minus 9. Here 4 changes into 14. Why? Because 4 is a smaller number. So now I am taking here borrow. Here take a borrow means here 5, 6 changes into 5 and 4 changes into 14. Okay, understood? Now 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. Now after 9, 10. Here what is the number given here? 9. Now we are counting after number means 9 after. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 14. What is the number? 5. Now I am writing here 5. And again here 5 and remaining numbers as it is. Now I am writing here 8555. Already over no? Now okay, same answer no? Now this number too we can subtract with minus. Again 8555 minus 9 means 15 changes, 5 changes into 15. Why? Because 5 minus 9 is not possible. I am here taking a borrow. Okay, this 5 changes into 4. Now 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total 6. And again here what is the number having here? 4, 5, 8. 8546. 8546. Next one, again this number I am taking here 8546 minus 9. Again 6 changes into 16, 4 go to 3. 16 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 7. Here 3, 5, 8. 8537. Okay, understood? Okay, 8537. Next one, same number. I am taking here this number answer 8537 minus 9. Okay, now I am do the subtraction. 7 minus 9, it is possible? No. So again I am taking a borrow. Here this 2 changes into 3. Again here 7 changes into 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What is the answer? Yes, 8. Now I am writing here 8. And again here 2, 5, 8. Now I am writing here 8528. 8528. Now again I am doing a subtraction with a minus 9. Okay. Now I am writing here 8528 minus 9. Okay, 8528 minus 9. Okay, now I am do the subtraction. 8 minus 9, it is possible? No. What we can do? We take a borrow. 8 changes into 18 and 2 changes into 1. Okay, 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Up to 18 we are counting. No? Total how many numbers are there? Yes, 9. I am writing here 9. Okay, and again 158. What is the answer here? 8519. 8519. Okay. Now again I am taking 8519 minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0, 1, 5, 8. Now I am writing here 8510. 8510. Understood all of you? So here they given whatever number they given here. First here what they given? Count by 5s, count by 9s. So here whatever number they given here, we can do the subtraction. Okay, 5 given means we can do the subtraction minus 5. 9 given means we can do the subtraction minus 9. Understood all of you? Okay. So now this is the problems given in your textbook. Now these answers you can note down in your textbook. Okay. All of you note down these answers in your textbook. Okay. Understood ma? If you any doubt, one problem you can write here side. Listen carefully. Here in textbook, here textbook given no. In this textbook first problem you can write here. We can do the subtraction minus. Here this is the textbook no. In this count by 5 is first number 5549 given no. In this you can do the subtraction here. Okay. And count by 9s you can do the one problem you can do it, remaining you can do easily. Okay. Understood ma? So now I am give the homework. Note down all of you. Okay. Note down the homework all of you. Today's homework, skip count backwards. Skip count backwards. So now count by 2s. So in before two problems we are discussing about the 5s and 9s. Okay. So 5s we can do means whatever number they given here we can do the subtraction with minus 5. 9 given time we can do the subtraction with minus 9. But in homework I given very less homework. This is 2s. Okay. Understood? This is 2s. 2s means what we can do here already this minus. Now here listen carefully 2520. 25. Okay, 2525. This is 2523. Now we can do the subtraction. Now we can do the subtraction. Okay ma? So now listen carefully. Here 2523. So this is the given number. Here already 2525 minus 2. Minus 2. So now 5 minus 2, 3, 2, 5, 2. Okay. Now we got the same answer. Okay. Now we can do the minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1, 2, 5, 2. Okay. 2521. Now this answer you can write here. Again this number you take and you can do the subtraction with minus 2. Okay. Understood ma? Again this number you take here we can do the subtraction with minus 2. Whatever answer you got it you can write next blank. And again that answer to again you can do the subtraction with minus 2. Okay. This is very less small problem I am given ma. This 5 you can write. You can find out the answer. So which number we can multiply, which number we can do the subtraction? S minus 2. Whatever number they given here you can do with minus 2. Already one example already given my here 2525 minus 2. What is the answer? 2523. So as it is likewise here also we can do the subtraction with minus 2 and again here subtraction coming answer to we can do subtraction with minus 2 and again here coming answer we can do subtraction with minus 2. This is your homework. Okay. Post your homework with concern WhatsApp group number. Okay. You can write well. Okay ma. So and you can note down whatever answers I can explain in the textbook. You can note down. You can practice more and more. Okay. Now I wind up the class. Okay. Thank you one and all.